Whether you are building a new house or renovating your bedroom, the wardrobe is one essential element you simply cannot ignore. Many people view a wardrobe merely as a utility space to store clothes, but the truth is that it defines the overall aesthetic and functionality of your bedroom. The era of traditional swing doors is gradually giving way to the sleek efficiency of sliding wardrobes. Sliding wardrobes are not only remarkably stylish and modern, but they are also ultimate space savers. If you have a compact bedroom or want to achieve a clean, minimalist aesthetic, sliding doors are undoubtedly your best option. Let's dive into some of the top trending sliding wardrobe designs that can instantly elevate your home with a touch of luxury. First up are mirror sliding wardrobes, which remain immensely popular in contemporary interior design. If your bedroom is on the smaller side or lack abundant natural light, mirror doors are an absolute game changer. By using full-length mirrors on the wardrobe doors, natural and artificial light bounces off the reflective surfaces, making the entire room feel significantly larger, brighter, and more open. An added practical benefit is that it eliminates the need for a separate vanity or full-length floor mirror. You simply slide the door and get ready. You can choose standard clear mirrors or option for tinted glass like bronze or smoke grey, giving your room the sophisticated ambiance of a high-end boutique hotel. For those who prefer a sleek, modern finished glass and lacquered glass, sliding wardrobes present a stunning solution. Frosted glass, fluted glass, and vibrant lacquered glass are taking the interior design world by storm. Fluted or ribbed glass introduce a textured visual element while softly obscuring the contents inside, maintaining a neat appearance if the interior shelves are a bit cluttered. Lacquered glass comes in a wide spectrum of rich colors such as charcoal grey, warm beige, crisp white, or deep blue. This high gloss finish brings a contemporary edge to your bedroom, and it is exceptionally low maintenance. A quick wipe with a microfiber cloth keeps it looking brand new. A rapidly growing trend in modern home designs is the combination or dual finish sliding wardrobe. Instead of sticking to a single material across all doors, this approach mixes texture and finishes to create a dynamic visual contrast. For instance, you can combine a natural wood laminate panel with a tinted mirror section or pair a matte finish with a glossy glass band. This design choice is ideal if you want to avoid a monotonous look and turn your storage space into an artistic focal point within the room. Combining complementary materials adds depth, dimension, and customized character to your bedroom sanctuary. Beyond external aesthetics, the interior organization of a sliding wardrobe required thoughtful planning. Because sliding doors overlap rather than opening fully all at once, your internal layout must be divided into dedicated functional zones. Dedicate one section to full-length hanging space for dresses, suits, and coats while utilizing the remaining side for adjustable shelves, pull-out shoe racks, and secure drawers. Investing in high-quality soft-close sliding hardware is vital. Cheaper tracks tend to wear out quickly and make noise, whereas premium mechanisms ensure effortless whisper-quiet operation. Integrating motion sensor LED lights that illuminate automatically when doors are glided open adds both convenience and luxurious hotel-like touch. Ultimately, choosing the right sliding wardrobes comes down to balancing your personal style with the practical constraints of your room's layout and color scheme. Light colors and reflective mirror surfaces work wonders for compact spaces, while expensive bedrooms can easily accommodate bold, dark woods, textured glass, and intricate dual-tone patterns. Upgrading to a modern sliding wardrobe not only solves your storage challenges efficiently, but also dramatically enhances the architectural appeal of your bedroom. If you found these sliding wardrobes ideas helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with anyone planning a bedroom makeover. Drop a comment below to let us know which design was your absolute favorite. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest interior design guides. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.